In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing large datasets or just trying to organize your personal records more effectively, filters can be an incredibly powerful tool. They allow you to easily view specific data subsets, which is essential for making better decisions based on your spreadsheets. To start with, open your Google Sheets document and identify the range of cells you want to apply a filter to. It's important that this selection captures all the relevant data you want to include. If your spreadsheet is extensive, consider clicking the top left corner between the row and column headers to highlight the entire sheet. Doing so ensures no data is left out when you create your filter. Once you've highlighted the desired cells, you'll want to look towards the top of the Google Sheets interface where you can find the toolbar. Within this toolbar, there's an icon that resembles a funnel. This is the Filter button. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. It's quite intuitive once you know where to find it, but if you're new to Google Sheets, it might take a moment to locate. After clicking the Filter button, you'll see an option labeled Create a Filter. This choice is typically found among the top items in the drop-down. Clicking on Create a Filter will immediately apply the filter to your selection. You'll notice a change as small drop-down arrows appear next to each of the column headers within your selected range. These arrows indicate the columns are now filterable, allowing you to drill down into your data. These tiny arrows are essentially your new best friends within Google Sheets. They allow you to sort data in ascending or descending order, or even select specific values to display while hiding others. This is especially useful when dealing with large amounts of information, as it helps you focus on the data that's most relevant to your current needs. Furthermore, remember that filters can be modified or removed with ease. Simply click the funnel icon again to adjust your settings or deactivate the filter. This flexibility makes filters a powerful part of Google Sheets toolkit, giving you control over your data without making permanent changes. Using filters can greatly enhance how you interact with your data in Google Sheets, paving the way for better insights and more organized information. So remember these simple steps the next time you find yourself buried in rows and rows of data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your digital tools.